today I want to show you a scalping strategy for the 5-minute chart. Today we are going trading this strategy on Bitcoin. So first you just wonder why the candlesticks are black. This has a reason, and but let's start with the indicators that we are going to add. The first indicator is the MACD crossover, and as you can see, as I put the MACD crossover on our chart, we can see that the candlesticks changes the color as the MACD should be. And this is a huge advantage for us because we as a scalper need to make quick decisions, and here we can definitely see if we are on a upwards momentum or a downward momentum. And for this we are going to change the fast length to 5, the slow length to 10, and we can collapse this pane because we're only going to need the color of the MACD. And the next indicator is the EMA, the exponential moving average. Here we are going to change the length to 200 and make the line a little bit thicker, and then we are going to use the Bollinger Band. So we have our setup. So for this strategy, let's remove the drawings here. So for this strategy we are looking first to the price action. If the price action is above the 200 EMA, we are definitely in an upwards momentum. And if we are here, if the price action is under the 200 EMA, we are in a downwards momentum. So here we should only looking for short entries. And yeah, so the strategy is a very basic. We are starting to look to identify first if we are in a downwards momentum or upwards momentum. And here, as we can see, the price crosses the 200 EMA, so we are only looking here for long entries. And for our entry, we have to wait that the price action comes to the lower band of the Bollinger Band. So this indicates usually that the price is right now in a oversold momentum, that the price is oversold. And after that we are looking for the MACD crossover. So if I just again collapse, show you the crossover, like right here you can see the color of the candlestick changes to green as we have here the crossover on the MACD. We are going to add, we are going to place our long position here, and for the stop loss we just put it just under the Bollinger Band. Yeah, so you can try this out. For me this is like the best area where you can put your stop loss. And after that I would just look for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, so for 1.2%. so this would be just here. So as you can see, this trade would be definitely a win. So for a short entry I would come, yeah, here this is a good example here right now. As you can see, the price comes to the upper Bollinger Band, and after a while we can see that we have a MACD crossover. So right there I would put a short position. I would place the stop loss just above the upper Bollinger Band and go to 1 to risk to reward ratio. So as you can see, this would also be a win. So here are a little here are a few disclaimers which we have to pay attention. Like sometimes in this case we can see the price hits the lower Bollinger Band, but the price continues to go down, and after that we can see here crossover. So in this area what we also can see is that the price struggles like under and up the 200 EMA. So we cannot just 100% be sure if we are in a long trend or in a upwards trend. So here we have to just wait till the price fully comes down under the 200 EMA. Like this could also be a short position, but as you can see the price is struggles here on the 200 EMA and then just comes here down, and so the next possible entry would be here. As you can see, the price comes down to the 200, comes down to the upper Bollinger Band and then just removes from here. So this would be a perfect place to place a long position, and here again I would just put the stop loss under the lower Bollinger Band, and the target would be 1 to 2, so I would just go here 1%, and as you can see this would also be a win. Like there are sometimes where the strategy does not work, so this is why it's very important